Hey guys, it's me. I just woke up very, very early. I've been awake since sunset. It's probably sunset right now, but like still. That looks like it's. But yeah, you're lucky because I'm gonna be fidget trading. Very, 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 very short. But we're still gonna do it. Guys, this is I'm fidget trading by myself, so we're using the same fidget. Sorry if I ruined the fun now. But yeah, because Elliot's not awake yet. Yeah, let's just get onto it. First thing I'm going to trade is this cupcake squishy. This looks like snakes. Ew, someone trading me. Hello. Hello. So, I heard you trading that squishy. Ian, what's your offer for it? Okay, so I will offer this sand, this Rubik's Cube, and this squishy. Please accept, please accept. Why should I do it? I mean, this squishy is quite hard. She's adding squishy and she's adding two things. So, yeah. Yay! Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. These are pretty cool. Put them in the bin. Someone actually just now traded me 6 of them. Hello. Hello. So, what are you trading? So, I'm trading this squishy. Okay, I will offer this puzzle thingy because like the squishy is like better than this, but like still. I guess. Yes. There you go. Guys, you think that was if I was over or under? I don't know. I think it's a fair trade. Now I'm gonna trade this plush thingy. It's like actually quite soft. I might cut this open with this side. So yeah, I'll do that in the next video. So yeah, let's just trade it. Trading is going once, going twice. Me! Okay, what's your offer? Okay, so I will offer squishy. Oops, I fell out to trade. This Poppet, this infinity cube, this puzzle ball, this very good needle, this good needle, this, that, monkey needle, that, 4 mochis, and these 3 stress balls. Accept! Oh my gosh, thanks! I think I'm still under. I can't believe you think I'm under. Sure, yeah, you are under, totally, yeah. That was such a good trade. Ow. Guys, somebody's trading those DNA glow balls. I want to offer. Hello. Hello. Can I offer for your DNA glow balls? Sure, what's your offer? I'll offer this. I guess I'll add this sand. Add a little bit more. Squishy. Add a bit more. This smoky. Okay. purple needle. Turning purple needle, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Really? Nobody? I guess I'll put it back. I guess I'll try just drain spice ball going once. Me! Okay, what's your offer? I will offer this fake enable. Like, I took the air out though. Then I'll offer this snake. Dinosaur. Wahi track. This. This. A duck mochi. Cloud mochi. This mochi. And this mochi. And this mochi. And this pea powder. Except here. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it was kind of short. This is my dad's phone, so I have to give it back. So yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It probably is kind of bad. Probably actually really bad. But yeah, I tried my best. I'm feeling a little sick today. I woke up and I had kind of a stomach pain-ish, but kind of the back. The back was hurting badly, even though my stomach was hurting though. Don't know if that makes sense. Also, earlier my nose was a little stuffy. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Share with family and friends. And yeah, and hit that bell button so you know when we post. Well, because I'm mostly on this channel. But Elliot's also on it, but yeah. Also, I tried to hit us to 10K. And we will probably celebrate it. It might take a while, so how about, let's see, until 4th of July, because we are having a very big party. We can actually celebrate there. So, yeah. I hope you can get us to that so we can celebrate it. Also, if we hit it before 4th of July, that's fine. We could still celebrate it. But it won't just be a big party like we were going to do. Also, my sister's going to have a party, so we'll also go there. And we'll go check out her party, and then after we go there, we have to go to get our party ready. So, yeah. It's going to be fun. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. Because my dad's been very, very busy. He's always over at the shop building. I feel very, very bad. But, yeah. I go over there and help him out sometimes. But he still sleeps. He sleeps until like 9. Because he works so. Actually, he might wake up early because he went to bed. But yeah, I have to go. Bye, guys.